Katy is Ready to Bake Cakes by Joy Etete. This book is dedicated to every child that loves to bake cakes. Katy is ready to bake cakes. What does she do? She brings a bowl with a wooden spoon, a mixer, a sieve, and a weighing scale, then 12 paper cup cases and a baking tray. Katy is ready to bring out her ingredients. What does she do? She brings out a bag of flour, some eggs, butter and sugar, then a spoonful of icing sugar to sprinkle on top. Katy is ready to mix her cake. What does she do? She blends butter and sugar with Mother's help, then mixes in the eggs and flour until smooth. Katy is ready to bake her cakes. What does she do? She pours the mixture carefully into the cup cases, then Mother places the tray in the hot oven. Katy is ready to tidy up. What does she do? She puts away the flour, butter, sugar and eggs, then helps Mother to clean and tidy up the mess. Katy is ready to take out her cakes. What does she do? She takes them out of the oven with Mother's help, then sprinkles icing sugar to decorate when they are nice and cool. Katy is ready to eat her cakes. What does she do? She pours out a glass of milk, takes 2 delicious cakes, then bites into the soft, sweet sponge with a smile. Delicious! Katy has baked some cakes today. Are you ready to bake yours? What do I need to bake some cakes? A bowl, a wooden spoon, paper cup cases along with a baking tray and a sieve, then an electric hand mixer and weighing scale. What ingredients do I need? Eggs, flour, butter and sugar for the cake, then some icing sugar to sprinkle on top. How do I make a cake? Blend the sugar and butter, add the eggs and sift in the flour, then stir the mixture well until it is smooth. What do I do next? Pour the mixture into the paper cup cases and place them on a baking tray, then put them in the oven to bake. What do I do when they are ready? Take them out of the oven with some help and leave them to cool. Then sprinkle your cakes with ice and sugar and they are ready to eat. Enjoy!